Okay, good afternoon. Let's begin our English class. Okay, so in the morning we were discussing intonation, and I gave you examples for falling intonation and rising intonation, falling intonation, rising intonation. Okay, now we shall see rising falling intonation. Now we shall see rising falling intonation. Rising falling intonation, right? So here, how do you identify this symbol? Okay, okay, that is how you identify. So this symbol, rising falling intonation, okay, you like this, like that, okay, from here you go like this, come down, okay, right? Falling, rising falling intonation, rising falling intonation, like your voice. Okay, so in rising falling intonation, your voice rises and comes down, right? Your voice rises and comes down. Rising falling intonation, okay, rising falling intonation. This intonation rises and falls, okay, this intonation rises and falls. This intonation rises and falls, okay. So this, we use this rising falling intonation, okay, for choices, okay, and then we use this intonation for list of things, for lists, and then we use this intonation for unfinished thoughts, and conditional sentences, and we use it for conditional sentences. Okay, so this intonation, this is rising, falling intonation. And rising, falling intonation, okay, it goes up and comes down, okay, it goes up and comes down, goes up, comes down. That means your voice goes up, comes down, right? Your voice goes up, comes down. Rising, falling intonation. This intonation rises and falls, right? And we use this intonation for choices, list, unfinished thoughts, and conditional sentences, right? So, like choices, like alternative questions, now for maybe for alternative questions like choices, no? Alternative. Alternative questions, for alternative questions, right? So we are going to see some examples for each category. We shall see some examples, and we shall see rising, falling intonation. What are we discussing now? We are discussing rising, falling intonation. Rising, falling intonation, right? So here choices. First we shall see choices. Example. Choices, right? We shall see this in example of choices. So here, are you having soup or salad? Are you having soup or salad? So here, right, it's rising and then it's falling. So this is rising, falling. Okay, are you having soup or salad? Okay, are you having soup or salad? Right, here also, you see here. Are you having soup or salad? Rising, falling. Are you having soup or salad? Okay. Does he speak German or French? See, for example. Telugu. Does he speak Tamil or Telugu? Does he speak Tamil? Okay, or Telugu? So, falling, rising. Does he speak Tamil or Telugu? Okay, does he speak Tamil or Telugu? Rising, falling. I hope you are able to understand what I am trying to say. So, okay, rising, falling intonation. This is for choices. Right? Now we see for list. We see for lists. Okay. Did you write it down in your books? Okay. Have you written down in your books? I told you keep a notebook ready so you can write it down in your books. Okay. Have you written it down in your books? Right? So, I shall go to next one. Choices. We are seeing rising, falling intonation. This intonation rises and falls, and this is symbol rising, falling. And then for choices, we use it for choices. Are you having soup or salad? Are you having soup or salad? Okay. The voice then, does he speak Tamil or Telugu? Does he speak Tamil or Telugu? Rising, falling. Rising, falling. Are you able to understand? Right? Okay. Right. So we have seen this first one. Okay. Now I shall give some more example. Okay. So next we shall see next example. Okay, in lists. So in list it is little bit different. Try to understand. Okay. In list it is rising, again one more rising, third rising, rising, then falling, rising, then falling. See, for example, okay, intonation falls here. The intonation falls on the last item. Intonation falls on the last item. Falling then. Intonation falls on the last item to show that list is finished. Okay. So intonation falls on the last item to show that list is finished. See, for example, I'll show you an example now. Look at this example. Right. We have got apples. Okay, we have got apples, bananas, oranges. We have got bananas, apples, oranges, and grapes. We have got apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. So here rising here, then one more rising, okay, rising, and then falling, and grapes. Right? We have got apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. So here list, we are talking about list. We are using rising, falling intonation in list of things. I went to the shop, I bought some sugar, some bread, some tea powder and some coffee powder. Did you understand? I hope you are able to understand. Are you able to follow what I am saying? Right? So, rising, falling intonation. This tone, this intonation rises and falls. So, here for list, you are looking at choices, then now we saw list. So, intonation falls on the last item. Intonation falls on the last item. See, last item is grapes. The last item. So, on the last item, the intonation falls, comes down. So, finally, this is a rising, falling intonation. This sentence is a rising, falling intonation. This sentence is a rising, falling intonation. We have got apples, bananas, oranges and grapes. So, grapes come down. So, intonation falls at the last and the items will rise. All the items will rise. So, rising, falling. Rising, falling. I hope you are able to understand. List. Okay. So, this is, I hope you have written it down. Right. Right. Okay. Are you able to follow? Are you able to understand what I am saying? What I am teaching? Are you with me? Right. Have you? Are you writing it down in a notebook? I told you to maintain a book so you can write down all the things in the notebook. Clear? Okay. So, list. So, in list, how the intonation is. Okay. In list, how the intonation is, and the intonation falls on the last item. Okay. On the last item, that is to show that list is finished. To show list is finished. So, rising, falling. Rising, falling intonation. Okay. So, rising, falling. Okay. Intonation falls on the last item to show that list is finished. We have got some apples, bananas, oranges and grapes. We have got some apples, oranges, bananas and grapes. Your voice comes down. Okay. Right. One more example I will give you in this category. I like football, tennis, basketball and volleyball. Volleyball. So, this is rising, falling. Rising, falling. Rising, falling. Okay, rising, falling. Right. Second example. I like football, tennis, basketball and volleyball. I like football, tennis, basketball and volleyball. Coming down. So, rising, falling. Your voice will rise and your eyes and it will fall. Okay. Are you able to understand? Did you take down in your notebook? Have you taken it down in your books? I hope all of you are writing it down in your books. Note it down in your books. Okay. Right. Next. Conditional sentences. We shall see conditional. Did you write it down? Shall I erase it? Okay. Okay, now we shall see conditional sentences. Example. Conditional sentences. So we are going to see now conditional sentences which are having rising falling intonation. So we saw, okay, choices, list and conditional sentences. Now we are looking at conditional sentences. Right? How do we write conditional sentences? Right. So here in this the voice, the tone rises in the first class. The tone rises in the first class. Rises in the first class and falls gradually and falls gradually in second class. So here conditional sentences. So rising falling intonation, we saw choices, example I gave you, list, how it comes in list. Now conditional sentences. So in conditional sentences the tone rises in the first class and falls gradually in the second class. Right. See, for example, I give one sentence. Okay. For example, if he calls, ask him to leave a message. Ask him to leave a message. If he calls, ask him to leave a message. It comes down. Right? So falling, rising. Rising, falling. If he calls, ask him to leave a message. If he calls, ask him to leave a message. So rising, falling. In conditional sentences. So in the conditional sentence, the tone rises in the first class and falls gradually in the second class. What are we looking at? We are discussing rising, falling intonation. Under rising, falling intonation, what is rising, falling intonation? This intonation rises and falls. So now we are looking at this rising, falling intonation in conditional sentences. So here in conditional sentence, what happens? The tone rises in the first clause and falls gradually in the second clause and falls gradually in the second clause. Now here, if he calls, ask him to leave a message. If he calls, that is one clause. If he calls, ask him to leave a message. So the first clause, the voice rises. Okay. Second clause, the voice comes down. So, okay, rising, falling. What is this? Rising, falling. Rising, falling. Then, if you have any problems, if you have any problems, just contact us. just contact us. So if you have any problems rising, just contact us. Just contact us. So rising, falling, rising, falling. If you have any problems, just contact us. If you have any problems, just contact us. So rising, falling, right? So did you take down this in your notebooks? I hope you are taking down in your notebooks. Right. Did you write it down, all of you? Are you writing it down? I hope you're writing it down. Please write it down in your books. Okay. So if you have any problems, just contact us. Rising, falling. Okay. Rising, falling. Okay. Now, next, we shall move on to the next one. Falling and rising. Now we'll go to next one, and next one is falling rising intonation. Falling rising intonation. So how do you do this? Okay. So how falling rising. Okay. Okay. Falling rising. Falling rising intonation. Falling rising intonation. The voice falls and rises. The voice falls and the voice falls and rises. Usually within one word. The voice falls and rises usually within one word. The voice falls and rises, falls and rises. The voice falls and rises. Falling, rising intonation. Falling, rising intonation. So the voice falls and rises usually within one word. Right? So here, this falling, rising, we use it when we have some hesitation, or doubt or uncertainty, right? Falling, rising, I suppose. So for example, hesitation and politeness, doubt, when do we use it? We use it when we have that hesitation. Okay, or when we have politeness. Politeness or doubt. Right? Example. Now you look at this example. I'll give the example. Example, see, in hesitation. hesitation, right? In hesitation, you didn't so you didn't see him on Monday. You didn't see him on Monday. I don't quite remember. I don't quite remember. I don't quite remember. I don't quite remember. Right? I don't quite remember. So you see here, you have this falling, rising. You have this falling, rising. You didn't see him on Monday. I don't quite remember. I don't quite remember. Okay? So this, the voice and falls usually within one word. In falling, rising intonation. What are we discussing? We are discussing falling, rising intonation. And this is the symbol for falling, rising intonation. And the voice falls and rises usually within one word. The voice falls and rises usually within one word. So here, hesitation. You didn't see him on Monday. I don't quite remember. I don't quite remember. I don't quite remember. Right? I don't quite remember. So falling, rising. Falling, rising. Right? So we seen here, okay, hesitation. Now we shall see politeness. Example, politeness, doubt. Politeness, doubt. Okay. Like example, we'll give you an example here. Perhaps we could visit the place. Perhaps we could visit the place. Perhaps we could visit the place. So we could visit, right? So this is falling, rising. You see here, perhaps we could visit the place. Perhaps we could visit the place. Visit. Okay, visit. Okay, falling, rising. Perhaps we could visit the place. Should we copy the list? See one more example. Should we copy the list? Should we copy? So, okay, should we copy? Okay, falling, rising. Copy. Should we copy the list? Falling, rising. Should we copy the list? Falling and rising. Right? So, today we have discussed some intonations. We have discussed rising intonation, and then we have discussed rising, falling intonation. Okay, we have discussed rising, falling intonation, and we have discussed falling, rising intonation, rising, falling intonation, and falling, rising intonation. Right? So with this, I will go to next chapter. Okay? So hope you have following it very carefully what I am teaching you. Right? Okay? Am I clear? Right? Okay. So take this down in your books, all of you. Jot it down in your books, and then I'll take up a new chapter tomorrow. Okay? So I'll move on to the next unit tomorrow. Thank you for listening.